Hello friends, welcome to Fingertips. In this video, we are going to see about how to turn on guided access in iPhone. First, you should go to Settings. Next, click General. Then click Accessibility. Drag down until you see Guided Access. Click it. Then turn on Guided Access. After you turn on, click Passcode Settings. Next, click Set Guided Access Passcode. I am making 123456 as my password. You can make your unique password. Then re-enter your passcode. Now, your guided access is ready. To activate it, go to Control Center. Then click Customize Controls. Drag a bit down and then click Guided Access. Now the guided access is ready to use. To test it, click on an app. Press the Home button thrice. The guided access has been started. To end it, press the Home button thrice and enter your passcode. And if you press End, the guided access has been ended. Do you know the unique privacy setting in an iPhone? When you share your iPhone with someone, you can easily hide your private details by using Guided Access option in Settings. That's all for the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below your